Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the trim on your 2013 through 2015 Honda Civic. Over the years in the California heat, the plastic starts to wear out and starts cracking and falling apart. In order to get these out, all you're going to need is a Phillips screwdriver and a flathead to remove the trim inside, and you're going to be needing some brand new trim you could get at your local Honda dealer. I'll include the part numbers in the description. I've already done the other side, and this looks way better than what it did before. So let's go ahead and get started on these trims. First thing you want to do is roll down all your windows. And then turn your car off. Now you're going to need a flat screwdriver to pry this corner up, or any plastic removal tool just to pry this corner up. You're pretty much going to pull this part off, and until you pull this whole entire part off, you just slide it out from the back. Front, pretty much pry it out, and eventually you just pull it out like so. And then for this wire, I'm just gonna pull or push the tab right here. Sorry, trying to get a clear view for you guys, and then you pull that out. Now for this harness, I'm gonna push that little tab down. You're gonna push it down. It's hard to do this with one hand. You're gonna pull the outside tab once you push that tab down. Once you have this removed, just gonna put it off to the side, and you get your Phillips screwdriver and remove this screw right here. Once you have the screw out, you pretty much have to pry the bottom half of the door. There's these little kind of Christmas tree plastic clips, so you start from this corner, pretty much just pull the door out. Once you have the door loose, it just slides up from the top. Now the tricky part is getting this whole trim out. What I've been doing on the other windows is getting a pick and kind of pulling this tab back and lifting up. It's probably not the proper way to do this, but as you can see, you can't really get to, I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's another clip right here, another clip right there. So I pretty much just yanked it out. So this is gonna get replaced anyway, so not really too worried about saving it. Outside of the car, just pretty much yanked it out, so it's no good anymore. Right there. Now you can take this time to start wiping off all the remaining plastic pieces from your old window trim. Now that you have your new window trim piece, all you're going to do is pretty much put it in place of where the old one was at. And I like to start by sliding it on to this side first, so that way it gets lined up with here. Once you do that, you can pretty much just slide this guy on and pop it into place, making sure that all the clips are going where they're supposed to. Alright, well I finally got it seated, so I'm just going to push down on it, making sure that's fully clipped on and ready to go. And that should be it for the front door. Now this door panel could go back on, pretty much in the same reverse order. Just keep in mind to make sure that these little green clips are fully seated in their spots, because if they're slightly off, then they won't clip on your door and you might break them. Pretty much the door just goes from the top first, slides in, then pretty much just push the clips back into place. Screw goes back in. Plug the clips back into the control panel, and pretty much just slide it from the back first, and then again press it down so that way it's fully secured. And now time to do the back door. Now for the back door, it's pretty much the exact same way as you took out the front door. Pretty much popping this off, undoing the switch, unscrewing the screw, and pretty much pop the bottom all the way around and then slide the door up. Panel removed. The only thing different from the front door to the back door is that you do have to remove this piece of trim right here, and pretty much it's just only one screw right there. Just take that out and this whole piece just pops off like that. And for the window trim, pretty much you're gonna have to wiggle with it or mess with it in order to get it off. Like I said, I don't really care because I'm gonna replace these anyway. So just what I did was slide it that way and pretty much pulled this side off, and I'm pretty much gonna break it off like that. And you will have to get some kind of pick to remove this. Once you get this area all cleaned off, pretty much exact same way as the driver's side went in. I'll put this side in first, where the B pillar is at. I'm gonna slide that in like so. Pretty much just press it down all the way across, making sure that's fully secured. Piece of trim and just press it back on like so. Screw it back on. Again, reverse order on the door panel. Pretty much goes on from the very top like so. Make sure to grab your wire before it gets stuck. Press those clips back in. Panel screw back on. Window control snaps in place. Back part goes in first. And then pretty much get it to line up and press down until everything clips in place. Roll your windows back up. After everything, the installation should be complete with the new window. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.